The mission of the Lightwater Reactor Sustainability Program is to enable the continued safe and reliable operation of the nation's nuclear energy resources. LWRS researchers work closely with industry partners to ensure research and development efforts meet industry needs. One of those partners, Arizona Public Services, recently sent senior executives to get a first-hand look at the research activities conducted here in the HSSL to support control room modernization. While here, APS got to see the variety of tools and methods used in this research, and the visit highlighted the positive impact the partnership has on the nuclear industry.
This is a collaboration that is a really powerful one. It's really fairly visionary, it's very strategic. So this project really sets us in a position to address some of those equipment issues, but also we get the benefit of improving the performance of the people who operate and maintain the plant going forward. And that's done through a lot of the programs that we've been collaborating here with Idaho National Labs.
The value of bringing the scientific and technical aspects of the Department of Energy's Lightwater Reactor Sustainability Program together with the commercial industry is that it helps the commercial industry benefit from the research and technical capabilities of the Department of Energy. The researchers learn from working with the owners and operators about what research is actually needed. If you look around you, you see a laboratory. But this is not just any laboratory. This is a laboratory that's built upon technology in a real commercial nuclear power plant. So when we do our research here, it can be transferred immediately to a plant.
Here we have the opportunity to look at things from a different perspective. So we bring operators in an engineering simulation environment where we utilize these advanced tools to design what that human interface is going to look like.
We are working with Palo Verde and Westinghouse to show the nuclear industry how to go beyond like-for-like replacements in controller modernization and innovate the way plants operate. The goal is to make them more economically competitive while maintaining the safety and reliability.
When we're able to incorporate the expert advice from the individuals at Idaho National Labs as part of the design process, it really represents a unique opportunity to deliver, frankly, a new and unique product to the Palo Verde plant.
I think this collaboration is making a huge difference in the field. It's paving a path forward for the rest of the nuclear industry to follow.
We've actually been looking at it from a strategic transition standpoint. How do we move in a way that makes a lot of sense, that fits our capitalized budgets, and can actually take the plant from where we have been in the past that has served us very well and move it to a place that will continue to serve us in the future as a much more modern entity.
This partnership enables LWRS researchers to advance the science of human factors in nuclear through having access to expert operators, conducting studies in realistic situations, and using state-of-the-art tools that measure the impact of technologies on human system performance.
When you get into this research mindset, it's easy to visualize what you think is the best, but then to go and present those designs and have someone pick them apart and learn what's actually the best, that's probably one of the most exciting things about what I do.
It is rewarding to see the evolution of a design concept. It starts by applying human factors methods to create initial design concepts. Then, as we begin incorporating operator feedback, the design begins to evolve in exciting ways. Once we see that the interface improves system performance and operators are happy, we know the design was done right.
In the past, a lot of modifications have historically not had a lot of operator interface up front, but on the back end, when the operators become the end user and the main user of the product, there's a lot of input that goes in requesting changes, expensive modifications, and just day-to-day aggravation, and trying to make the systems work.
Never such thing as too much operator input. I mean, we are the guys that just spend all the time in the control room, day in and day out, 12 hours a day.
Researchers are able to take advantage of the full scope simulator and operator participation to advance human factors methods and techniques. They use eye tracking, augmented reality, and other state-of-the-art tools to identify how new technology affects operators, and ultimately informs how to design technology to reduce errors, enhance usability, and ensure safety and reliability.